Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for Cisco CCNP ENCOR 350-401 exam, then this is the course by Neil Anderson. It is the Gold Bootcamp and it is right now available at 50% discount and available at just $49. Now this is the page. I'm already enrolled in it, so you can see over here you are enrolled in this course. I had posted in Reddit and somebody asked me what is the status of the course, whether it is complete or not. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go to the course page where you will see I'm enrolled in it. Here, this is the course. I'm 3% complete because I have not been looking at it. I'm waiting for this complete course to be completed by Neil Anderson. So giving you the status, this is Cisco CCNP ENCOR 350-401 and it is the most updated course on the internet at the moment. I have compared it with Jeremy's course as well, but this one is more complete. So let's scroll down and see the sections that are complete and what's left. So I'm scrolling down slowly. You can see all of these sections are complete. The ones that are not complete, I'll stop there so that you can check them out. I'm almost halfway down. Most of the stuff that I have scrolled down is complete. Actually, all of that is complete, and whenever there is something that is not complete, I'll stop there. Okay. Alright, so these are the only sections that are not complete. Campus network design in development now, and then switch and router packet forwarding, security threat landscape, COPP control, VPN virtual private networks and GRE, network address translation, Cisco device security, network management, network analysis and troubleshooting. These are the only sections that are not complete, but rest of the course is complete. So around 90% of the course is complete as of November 25, 2025. And if you want to go ahead and take this course, I totally recommend it. You get $50 off and the course is only available at $49. So the sections that are not complete are expected to be completed this year only, or maybe early next year. So it's not bad. You are getting it at $49. It is a powerful course, so I totally recommend it. Black Friday discount is available. I have provided the link in the description box and first pinned comment. You can go from there. So that's it. This was the video about Neil Anderson's CCNP course. I'm already enrolled in it and I totally recommend it to people who are looking to pass CCNP ENCOR exam. So $50 off, go for it. If you have any questions, feel free to type them below. I'll answer them. Thank you.